Welcome to our birdtastic adventure, where we'll learn about some amazing feathered friends. Are you ready to spread your wings and explore the world of birds? Fantastic! Let's begin our journey and discover some beautiful birds. Sparrows are small birds with brown feathers and love to hop around in search of seeds. Robins have red breasts and are often seen in gardens searching for worms. Blue jays are social songbirds that live in North America. They have blue backs and a blue crest on their heads. Blue jays can mimic the calls of other birds. Hummingbirds are tiny and can hover in mid-air while sipping nectar from flowers. The name hummingbird comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat so fast. Did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? Owls are birds of prey, meaning that they hunt and eat animals. Unlike most other birds of prey, owls are nocturnal or active at night. They have excellent eyesight and hearing. An owl cannot move its eyes much, but it can turn its head far around to look directly backward. Eagles are large birds with powerful wings and are known for their soaring flights. Eagles have excellent eyesight and powerful talons which help them catch prey. Eagles build their nests on high cliffs or in tall trees. Eagles can live 30 years or more in the wild. Flamingos have long, slender legs and pink feathers, often seen wading in shallow waters. Flamingos get their pink color from their food. Their nests are made of mud and they can actually fly. Some flamingos will travel to breed, migrate to a new body of water as seasons change, or move to warmer, lower altitude areas for the winter. Parrots are colorful, intelligent birds. They can learn and can use simple tools. Because some species can make sounds like human voices, they are often kept as pets. Toucans have large, colorful bills or beaks and are known for their distinctive croaking calls. Toucans do not migrate when the seasons change. They are fruit-eating creatures and are commonly adopted as pets because they are friendly birds. Pelicans are very large birds with long beaks and a throat pouch. The pouch is made of stretchy, featherless skin. It hangs like a hammock from the lower jaw. This unique feature works like a basket that helps a pelican to catch fish. Swans are elegant birds with long necks and are often seen gliding on calm waters. Along with ducks and geese, swans belong to a family of birds called waterfowl in North America and wildfowl in Europe. Swans are the largest and least common of the waterfowl. Pigeons are common city birds known for their cooing sounds and ability to find their way home over long distances. Pigeons are able to detect sounds at lower frequencies than humans, which is believed to contribute to their excellent navigation. Now let's review all the birds we've talked about. Repeat the names after me. Sparrow, robin, blue jay, hummingbird, owl, eagle, flamingo, parrot, toucan, pelican, swan, pigeon. Well done, little bird enthusiasts! You've learned the names of some amazing birds and interesting facts about each of them. Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, adding beauty to our world. Let's give a big tweet for our feathered friends. Thank you for joining us on this bird-tastic adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the wonders of nature.